Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix any Instagram bug. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is just to go to your web browser. Okay, and then search for the down detector. Okay, so just tap on this one and then use the search icon to search for the application. Okay. Now that you have found the application, you'll be able to see here the details and all of the information about the application and also the reported problems of that app. Okay, so you'll just have to wait until they will fix that problem because that's the least that you can do as of the moment, of course. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is to go to your phone settings. Mm-hmm. And then go to the apps. Okay, and then click on manage apps. And then look for your Instagram application. And then you can also use the search bar as well. And then try to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again so that the application will have a fresh start. Okay, so the bug will disappear. Now, the last thing that you can do is just to go to your Instagram application and then shake your phone or just go to your phone settings manually, then tap on report a problem. Okay, here you'll just have to explain the problem that you are facing with your application, and then you just have to wait for the response from the help center. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.